I'm Korey. I'm pretty sure you've heard about me on the channel before. I'm the guy that had the 351 in Cleveland. Me and my dad wanted to build it up, and it just wasn't working in the Ranchero. So talked to Harrison, and me and him went and snatched it up out of the Ranchero, ditched the Ranchero because it was just like super clapped out rust box by the time I actually got the time to actually go take it out. Anyways, but we're not talking about that. So, recently I ended up getting a new to me 2016 4Runner. No, it's not a TRD. But I'm cool with that. It's an SR5 Premium with the XP package. Before anybody asks, the XP package is some kind of like set dealer thing that they do in the Southeast, where you get like some 20-inch wheels with Nitto Terra grapplers, blacked out emblems, badges, whatever you want to call them, and this billet grill and running boards. I've been wanting to do like more like adventure type things, so after getting rid of my Ram 1500, I wanted an SUV that has size, but the 4Runner is one of the only SUVs left that like is actually like a real SUV. But yeah, shortly afterward, my buddy JT invited me to go on a little Jeep run with him and a bunch of people from like Nashville, Florida, Georgia, things like that.
Yeah, he's good, man. Can he cut it hard now and pull out? Oh, God.
I'm not smart. I've just been doing this a long time.
Dude, this shit is slick, man.
You saw me about bust my ass.
A roof rack coming in, and I went with a Rolla. I think it's a VTEX, something like that. And let's see, I wanted to do a lift, and it's coming. Although it's probably going to be frowned upon, it's not a spacer lift. But I think I'm going to go with a Skyjacker 3-inch. It has the Black Max rear and Skyjacker 5,000 or 6,000 front with rear springs and a diff drop. And of course there'll be some other things in there, like I still need to get some upper control arms and things of that nature before, you know, it all gets installed. But I mean, yeah, thanks you for tuning in, and hopefully you enjoy the journey.
Let's get 'em right.
So we figured out putting these little circle things on sucks really bad. So somebody brought it to my attention that we may have done it the wrong way.
I questioned it from the beginning.
And if you can see down in here, that is where
Makes sense.
the bar is supposed to go to.
Bye.